Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see Google account password Samsung. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your phone setting, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on password, passkey and autofill option. Now click on Google, click on Google Password Manager, click on google.com, enter your password. Finally, you can see your passwords. Thank you so much.